Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kenna and I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Why am I so excited? I'm excited because guys, I decided that this week is going to be my collab week. I am hoping, I'm praying that every collab I am planning is going to pass in Jesus' name. And if this one is already going up on Monday, it means that everything is going on as planned. So guys, as you can see from the title of this video, this is a cook challenge. I am going to be going to the market to buy things to cook my traditional meal, Fufucorn and Khatikhati, for just 2k. Guys, hearing that, it already sounded like an impossibility. Like, where am I even going to buy chicken for Khatikhati for 2.5? That's the thing that has been busting my brain, but I have a plan. Okay, and guys, the interesting thing is this is not a video I am doing alone. I am doing this video with 15 other Cameroonian YouTubers. Okay, we are doing the video together, so I want you guys to go and also watch their videos. Well, you can first of all go and watch their videos and then come back to me at the end. That is what I want here, because guys, I would like you to, after watching everybody's video, you can come here and tell me who you think the winner of this challenge is. Okay, they are spread everywhere, but in Cameroon or abroad, yes, we all are doing this challenge and I am so excited. So what I'm going to do is I'll be introducing you to some of these YouTubers as this video is going on, the very first person that I'm doing this collab with. But like I said, I'm leaving everybody's link in the description box. The very first person I'm going to talk about is Nappy Gabby. Guys, you put know Nappy Gabby. I have done a collab with her. I collabed with her during Vlogmas. We did a collab together. She is this cute fine girl, fine mommy of 3. She's based in Bamenda, and she's also going to be part of this challenge. She does a lot of hair tutorials on her channel. She does a lot of vlogs showing you how Bamenda is, places you can go to in Bamenda, how life in Bamenda basically is. The second person I'm going to talk about is my most MVP, my MVP subscriber turned YouTuber. Guys, this girl used to always be under my videos, and it's no other person than Lydia Tifuh. Lydia is a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Germany. So she takes you through her journey as a nurse, her school, her studies, her life in Germany. If you're planning to go to Germany and you want to know how life in Germany goes, okay, just hop to her channel. Okay, just you should not be scared. I'm not going to talk about everybody right now. Okay, the next person I'm going to talk about is none other than Ancel237. We met when I was in Boya. Ancel is a mommy vlogger, mom of 2 cute boys, my maybe in-laws. Gabby, please don't listen to this. Okay, she's a mommy vlogger. She is everywhere basically, because today she's in Tico, tomorrow she's in Boya, tomorrow she's in Yaoundé. So she is everywhere. She's just vlogging her experience, her life basically. If you want to see how Tico has been all this while, I think you should go to her channel. If you want to see how Southwest in general has been all through this time, you can go to her channel. If I'm doing a collab and I don't tell you I'm doing this collab with JUDITHA'S journey, will you people not come and slap me? So JUDITHA'S journey is also going to be part of this collab. You guys know her already. Like, this is one of those people I'm always collaborating with. So JUDITHA'S journey. She's a mommy vlogger based in Limbe with my friend Zoe, who does not like talking to me. So JUDITHA'S journey is also part of this collab. So guys, those are just the first people I'm talking about. As the video goes on, I'm going to call more names and tell you what they are about. Okay, so without much ado, let's go to the market and see what we can get for 2k. Okay, so honestly guys, I did not go to the market on that day. I went the next day on a Saturday morning, and it was a wrong choice because it was a very rainy morning. I wish I went to the market the day before, but what happened, and so I just went. So this was a Saturday morning, started with rain and all that. But when I reached the market, the first thing I decided to do was go and get the chicken, because that is supposed to be the most expensive thing. And yes guys, I did not go for a live chicken. I had to go to a cold store, okay, to get this kind of frozen chicken. I thought I could get like 2 pieces, but this chicken had a lot of ice, so I couldn't even dare. When I measured 2, it was like 1,300, so I went just for 1 lap like this. See, I want a small money, no there today. 500. They put a fine.
I'll make them. Even 6, I'll make them in the math time.
How money? Let me know some.
You want to visa day? No, leave you. You want to use it, but it's okay. Okay. No problem. If you say you want, no get problem with them.
I get problem with that.
Okay guys, so I am done from the market. See, I think this challenge has actually taught me a lesson. When I went to the market and I was buying, I was like, I started grumbling. Basically, I started grumbling and I'm like, this money is too small, like how am I supposed to make this work? But then I thought again and I'm like, there are people who feed their families on this every single day. They feed their families on 1K, even families that sometimes are even bigger than yours, and they get food. So why are you complaining? That's when I'm like, oh yeah, but I should stop being ungrateful. Like, okay. And this has also taught me that sometimes you could be unnecessarily extravagant, because normally if I want to cook like a Fufucorn and Khatikhati for my family, first of all I would just be buying vegetable. I'll buy vegetable first of all for like 1,500. I buy a full chicken. Even if we don't finish, we eat like half a chicken. Let's say okay, chicken like 1.5. I'll spend approximately 5K for one dish. But after buying, it's actually possible for me to cook that same dish for 2K, though the chicken will be small, but that's the only thing. So I'm like, okay. And then the thing is that we'll be able to eat only one. But I'm like, okay, so sometimes you're actually unnecessarily extravagant. Enough of over talking. Let me go ahead now and show you guys what I got and how much I got everything. And I am proud of myself because I even have 50 left, I think, if I've not miscalculated. Okay guys, this is basically what I got. This is chicken. I had to go for frozen chicken, obviously, for obvious reasons. One chicken right now is 3,000, 2,000. I couldn't afford that, so I went for one. Just this lap is 750, and it was so annoying because it has a lot of ice. That's why it was that expensive. This is the crayfish I got. The crayfish is so small. Crayfish for 100. My God. See, that's crayfish for 100. I'm like, okay, since I'm cooking the Khatikhati and the Fufucorn, I bought 4 Maggi crevettes because it goes very well with this. I got 1 onion for 25 francs, pepper for 50, tomatoes for 100. This is my corn. I bought the corn and I have already ground it, so this is the fufu presently. And I got this Fufucorn for, the corn was 200 and then 300, and then I ground it for 50. And this is my leeks. For me, in Jama is nothing without leeks, so I got leeks, and this leeks I got it for 50 francs. And then here we have our huckleberry. So I'm just going to keep the things now, wash them and keep them. But I'm going to leave this to defrost. I'll leave the chicken to defrost because I have to roast it this evening, and then I'll just spread the huckleberry now so that we can fix it later because right now I'm tired. Guys, I forgot to show you, this is palm oil I got. I got half liter of oil for 350 francs. So I'm going to continue talking about some of the YouTubers. Okay, so the next person I'm going to talk about is Yafii. Don't mind me if I'm looking at my phone, there are too many. Yafii is a Cameroonian vlogger based in Canada, and she does food vlogs and a whole lot of interesting things on her channel. So if you finish watching this video, or like I said in the beginning, wait first, go and watch the videos and come. Go and you see what she used to cook, and see, the people abroad are the people that I am just like, oh my god, I cannot wait to see what they will do. The next person I'll talk about is as well Queen T. Queen T is a yummy mommy, cutie mommy, and she does she has a cooking channel as well, and good food. If you want good food, that is your go-to. I'm also very interested, like I want to see where and what she's going to do. The next person I'm talking about is Solishy Sakem. Solishy Sakem is also a food vlogger. Like, I was happy that a lot of the people that jumped on this with me were people who do cooking on their channels, so that if you are one of those people who people that they need to cook, you need looking for meals to cook and stuff like that, you can just go to their channels and you see a lot there. And then the next person is this beautiful fine girl. Each time I'm watching, see guys, I have something for fine girls, fine face. When I'm just watching the fine face, I'm just like, oh, this pretty mama is T's Secret. Oh my god, I enjoy her vlogs, but she's mostly on cooking, and I just discovered her Instagram page of recent, and it was so nice. I'm like, oh my god, like how have I not been following her? So she too is joining us on this, guys. I think there's so many of them. There are so many. I'm not sure I've talked about everybody. Lorraine Shu too, my baby girl, is going to be joining. Like, there are certain names that people have heard here until I feel like by this time people are just like, oh, okay, now we get it. You love these people. But yeah, we are actually a lot of us. I don't think I can call everybody's name on this video. So like I said in the beginning, please just go first, watch everybody's video, so that you watch my video last, and you can now tell me who you think is the winner after watching my video. I don't want that people should go watch my video first and then you go and watch the other. If you go and watch the other videos, it's going to make you weak to come back to watch my video. So please, first of all, go to their channels, watch their videos, then you come back and tell me who you think is the winner of this challenge. And if you don't tell me that I'm the winner of this challenge, I'm going to block you. Oh guys, I'm just kidding. Anyway, okay guys, so this is the chicken I bought. This is what we're doing at Khatikhati with. Like, this is sad. Pretty sad. So I'm going to chips it. Okay, generally when you see people cutting Khatikhati in huge slices, that's not the real way. This is the real way, to cut it really small. So I'll just go ahead and do that. My god, this is all we have. But I also have this chicken that we made chicken sauce the other day at home. We didn't finish it, so I'll just add it to it so that our Khatikhati is not too small. Okay, entire process without cheating, but guys, that Khatikhati was too small. Like, I just had to add the wing to make it okay. So Okay guys, so this is it. We have come to the end of this challenge. Okay, we've come to the end of this challenge, and I actually did calculations for how much I bought everything, and it shows that I bought things for 2,200, not 2,000 francs. I felt I'm disappointed, but in my defense, I bought crayfish and I bought pepper. I bought crayfish for 100 francs and I bought pepper for 50 francs. Okay, which means, and I did not use it, I forgot to use the pepper and the crayfish, which means it was not included in the meal. Okay, so in my defense, instead of using the things I bought for 2,200, I used things for 2,050. So guys, I only cheated for 50. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. It was so much fun, guys. Like I said, I hope you have gone to my description box and clicked everybody's channel in the description box. Like, click subscribe, tell them where you're coming from, just show them some love. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. I don't want this to be too long. Yes baby, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye. Bye.